Introducing the 2022 Volkswagen Taigo Life 1.0 TSI 95HP M5F 5-door in sleek grey. Loaded with top-of-the-line features including air conditioning, Bluetooth and lane departure warning, this estate is perfect for any adventure. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags and collision avoidance braking. Plus, enjoy the convenience of electric windows, USB connections and roof rails. Rest assured with a full warranty, multi-point check and manufacturer servicing. Don't miss out on this incredible vehicle. Call us now or visit laharts.ie for more details.